So we got opening day of deer season here, and as usual, I always find deer sheds during deer season, but I can't find the stinking shed or the deer. But I got my wife with me today. She's got tags. She's got first shot, and she's gonna pick this buck out because look at this hog. This is a stinking stud. This is a stud. That is that same buck.
Yeah, you definitely.
I have that. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah. Can I pick it up now?
Jeez Louise, yeah, pick that sucker up. Oh my goodness.
That's a slammer.
That is a slammer. It's a little spindly up on top. That's a brown from last year. I missed that last year. I wonder if
This
his
one.
other side's right around here somewhere.
Look at this one.
Oh yeah. Now all we gotta do is just find that attached to the head.
Moving.
Well, not moving. Hopefully he's standing broadside, but...
Well, yeah, living.
Holy smokers. Alright, so... second week of deer season. I got 5 days off. I got the last of the season to do this. So... I'm gonna take you along for the trip because we're gonna get some good action here, some good film. And, possibly even a kill on camera, so stick with me, bear with me. It's gonna be pretty shitty, but it's also gonna be a blast. So we got to our glassing point here. Me and my nephew, wherever he's at. There he is. He's coming up. He's bringing up the rear. Nephew's with me, showing him the ropes. And we're gonna glass this big canyon down here and hopefully turn up a buck. I'm probably not gonna be picky, but we'll see. Right there in the middle of the screen is the buck. I'm gonna see if he'll move. So that backfired hard. So disappointed in myself. Had good rest, good opportunity. He was broadside. I don't have my rangefinder, so I didn't know how far he was. That was the big problem. But I just felt like the opportunity was too good to pass up. That was a giant 3-point. Thing was massive. But I just blew it. I just missed all 3 shots. I'll go get him tonight though. I'll find him again. He wasn't too startled when after I shot him, so we'll see. So I just glassed up a buck. I don't think it's the same buck from this morning. But it is so far away, I don't think I can get there in time tonight. Holy smokes, I've been glassing for like an hour here. And he's feeding up. The crappy thing is I was just up there. Oh, that's a nice buck. Dang. Oh, dang, that's a nice shot, I can go get off. We're gonna go back up the hill here and try to get a shot off on this guy here. Alright, so I decided not to go after that buck after all because it ended up being too far away. I'd have to go through some really nasty stuff to get to him. So I'm just gonna let him be. I'm gonna go back to my truck. I'm gonna do some more glassing, but man, it's super windy. And I'm gonna regroup. I'm gonna get up bright and early. And I'm gonna get him in the morning. But yeah, we're gonna get after it in the morning and come in from a different angle on him and try to get one of these things down on the ground. Bird. I'm seeing bucks, so that's all I can ask for is I'm seeing bucks. I want to go after this little 2-point here. Ain't the biggest one I've seen this weekend, but gosh, if he's gonna step out and give me a shot, I'm gonna take it. So I'm gonna try to get down to these trees right below me here. Try to sneak into this rim rock here and get in front of him. Get a shot off at him. He knows I'm here. Yards right here. They ain't got no rest though. I might try to sneak up to this rock. I dumped him. I stinking dumped him. Alright guys, looky there. He got western real fast. He died behind a sagebrush. Didn't see him. I walked down there up on top of him. Dude gets up and still kind of kicking, moving, so I back off and wait till I get a good shot in the neck, and I pump another one in his neck, and I'm pretty sure he's done, but I'm just gonna give him a couple more minutes here just to make sure, because I think the first shot I spined him. Second shot, it was just too close, but yeah, down there by those trees. I was laying on a rock right down there by those trees. He was standing right about just under that tree right there. Whew. Let me tell you what, guys, I ain't kidding. This isn't the biggest buck. Like I said, this isn't the biggest buck. Oh, you ain't even gonna see my face. Of the trip. I glassed up, as you saw last night, a big ol', it was nice and wide too, a nice 3x4. And then that big 3x3 that I missed yesterday morning was just, it was almost what I needed. I almost needed that miss, because I just pulled a rookie mistake pretty much yesterday and just did everything that I was not supposed to do. Rushed it, didn't range it. It was bad. So we're gonna take care of this guy though, because we got it done finally. A little 2x2. All right. I gotta punch my tag on a. Nice 2-point. Oh man, I'm not gonna complain at all about this guy. Oh yes. There's my bullet, I think. I don't know what that is, but nice. Nice. Heck yes. Heck yes. Oh man, working hard pays off. Alright, so I made it back with the buck. There he is. What do you think? Not the biggest, not the baddest like I always say, But guess what? He's down. He's down. He's got a cool little curler right there. Sweet little curler. Pretty cool character for a little 2-point. I'm not gonna complain at all. I worked hard this season. I've been waiting to draw this tag for 4 years now. Finally drew it. I knew what I was expecting. I was expecting something a little bit bigger than that, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, beggars can't be choosers, right? This one is unfortunately Dylan. He drew a tag in a different unit than me, so he is over hunting a different unit. I'm by myself, he's by himself. It was tricky. I do want to say thank you for tuning along. Hopefully you enjoy it. I don't care if you don't, I'm proud of it. I'm proud of it, I'm damn proud of what I did. And I got the meat hanging over here in the shade, cooling off. I'm coming home with some food. We're not hungry no more. You know what I'm saying? Thank you, thank you, thank you. Once again, thank you.